So this job is a remote booking agent opportunity. In this job, you will be assisting clients from start to finish with planning and creating vacations, honeymoons, sporting events, and quick getaways. When you land this remote travel agent job, you will have access to major airlines, hotels, cruise lines, resorts, theme parks, and so much more as you create the ideal customized travel package for your clients. Your responsibilities will include booking reservations for flights, cruises, hotel accommodations, and rental cars, communicating with clients via phone or email on a daily basis, taking secure payments and applying them to your clients' reservations, attending live online training sessions to stay updated on new products, safety procedures, and health protocols. The qualifications expected for this role include excellent oral or written communication skills, fluent in English or other communication languages. This is because you will be primarily dealing with international clients, so if you know maybe an added language, that's gonna be a plus. Organization and time management skills, self-discipline, positive attitude, coachable and trainable, and you definitely need a smartphone, laptop, or a tablet with reliable internet or Wi-Fi connection. Prior travel experience is a plus. It's not needed, but if you've ever traveled before using a flight or a cruise ship, then it would definitely be a plus. And next, let's check out the benefits. First and foremost, and the most important thing, is that there is no experience necessary. This is because there's a training program provided and they'll make sure that you stay updated on new products, safety procedures, and health protocols. There's also a flexible schedule, no sales quotas, which means that they don't give you targets that you have to meet. Major benefits and opportunities include earning a free cruise, discounted air prices, hotel stays, rental cars, theme park tickets, and more. So I went on Glassdoor and checked how much a booking agent makes in a year, and you can make on average $53,000 every single year. Obviously when you start, the figure is going to be a bit lower, but as you gain experience, you can definitely make this or even higher. So guys, what do you think? Comment down below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.